Here's a question I want you to sit with for a second. What did you do with your phone today? You probably scrolled, maybe watched a few videos, checked the news. And here's the thing. While you were doing all of that, other people were getting paid. Not influencers, not YouTubers with millions of followers, just regular people using the right apps. So today, I'm going to show you exactly which apps are worth your time in 2026, and exactly how to start earning from them. Every time you glance at your screen time and cringe, I want you to remember this video, because here's what most people don't know. Brands and companies are willing to pay everyday people for their opinions, their time, and their shopping habits. You don't need followers. You don't need a resume. You don't even need to leave your house. What you do need is to know which apps are actually worth using. That's what we're covering today. 16 apps. Real money, broken down so you know exactly what to expect from each one. Before we get into the list, I want to set realistic expectations, because this is important. Money-making apps are real. They work. But they're not going to replace your 9 to 5. And honestly, that's fine. Most people using these apps aren't trying to quit their jobs. They're trying to cover a grocery run, or save for a vacation, or just have a little more breathing room at the end of the month. If an app ever promises to make you rich overnight, that's actually a warning sign. That could be a scam. The apps on this list are transparent and used by millions. There are several types to know about: survey apps, gaming apps, cashback apps, freelance platforms, selling apps, and passive income apps. Let's start the list. Number 1, KashKick. If I could only recommend one app on this entire list, it would be this one. KashKick is a free app that pays you real money. Not points, not gift cards you'll never use, actual cash. You earn by taking surveys, trying new products, playing games, and shopping online. Once you hit $10 in your account, you can cash out through PayPal, grab a gift card, or even donate to charity. Most payments arrive within 1 to 3 business days. Now here's something I love about KashKick. It's flexible. One real user made $500 in a single year. It's a product people actually trust. Number 2, Acorns. This one's a little different. Acorns helps you build savings automatically by rounding up your everyday card purchases to the nearest dollar. It sounds small, but it adds up faster than you'd think. And Acorns puts that money into a diversified, expert-built investment portfolio. Setup takes about 5 minutes. Number 3, Cash Giraffe. Do you like games? Then Cash Giraffe is going to feel like a bonus. The app pays you to play games, and you don't need to be good at them. You earn gems just for the time you spend playing. One reviewer earned enough for a $5 Amazon gift card in 5 hours. It's a solid win for gamers. Number 4, DoorDash. If you want to make real money, and you don't mind getting out of the house, DoorDash is one of the best gig platforms out there. As a Dasher, you choose when you work. You keep 100% of your tips. And if you don't have a car, DoorDash even supports bikes and scooters. Number 5, Earnstar. Earnstar lets you earn through surveys, games, and offers, and they'll give you a $5 bonus just for signing up. Even if you get screened out of a survey, you still earn a tiny reward. It shows they actually value your time. Once you hit $20, you can cash out through PayPal. There are no monthly fees. Fiverr takes 20%, but for freelancers, the client volume can make it very worth it. You set your own rates and hours. There are no monthly fees. Fiverr takes 20%, but for freelancers, the client volume can make it very worth it. You set your own rates and hours. Number 7, Ibotta. If you buy groceries, and you definitely do, Ibotta is basically free money for something you're already doing. Pre-checkout, just add offers. After checkout, upload your receipt. Members earn an average of $261 a year in cashback. It takes about 10 minutes per shopping trip. Number 8, Inbox Dollars. You earn real cash, not points, for completing surveys, playing games, and shopping online. Sign up is free and comes with a $5 bonus. Once you hit $15, you can cash out via PayPal. It's simple, reliable, and flexible. Use it in the pockets of your day, waiting rooms or commutes. Number 9, Rakuten. Rakuten is a cashback powerhouse. The app works with more than 3,000 stores, and the deals can be significant, sometimes 12% back. You shop through the app and the cashback builds. Rakuten pays out every quarter via check or PayPal for things you're buying anyway. This one's a no-brainer. Number 10, Roamler. This one's specifically for our friends in Europe. Roamler connects you with paid tasks in your area, things like store checks and mystery shopping. Think of it like mystery shopping through an app. There are also technical tasks available depending on your skills. You can cash out whenever you want. Number 11, Survey Junkie. If you enjoy sharing your opinion, Survey Junkie is one of the most established survey platforms out there. You build a profile to match surveys, complete them, and earn points. Even if you don't qualify, you still get a few points. 3 surveys a day can earn you up to $40 a month. Cash out at 500 points. Number 12. Swagbucks. Another get-paid-to platform similar to KashKick, where you earn by doing surveys, shopping online, and playing games. You earn SBs. Around 2,500 SBs translate to $25 through PayPal. Spend $25 within 30 days for a 1,000 SB bonus. Number 13. TaskRabbit. Are you handy? TaskRabbit connects you to people in your area who need help with furniture assembly, cleaning, moving, and more. You pick the services you offer, you set your own schedule and radius, and you keep 100% of your earnings. This can turn into a real side income. Number 14. Tuluna. Tuluna Influencers is a global survey community where you share your opinions and earn points. Surveys award from 15 to 500,000 points. Completing your personal profile earns you 500 bonus points right away. Redeem your points for gift cards or cash. It's a great global option. Number 15. Uber. You already know Uber, but have you thought about driving for it? As an Uber driver, you earn a base fare plus 100% of your tips. You set your own hours completely. Cash out up to 6 times a day through Instant Pay. It's one of the highest earning options on this list if you have the time. Number 16. Upwork. Upwork is where serious freelancers go. The platform connects professionals, writers, designers, developers, with businesses globally. Create a profile, browse gigs, and apply. Upwork takes a fee, but the volume and quality of clients make it one of the most lucrative freelance platforms. So there you have it, 16 apps, each one legitimate, and here's the honest truth. You don't have to pick just one. The best strategy is to stack a few together. If you shop online, add Rakuten. If you're creative, try Fiverr. But for something easy to start today, KashKick is where I'd begin every single time. It pays real cash. 2 minutes in a waiting room, a survey over lunch, it all adds up. One user made $500 in a year just by using it consistently. Start earning today. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss tips on earning and making your money work harder. I'll see you in the next one.